Hi there. Thanks for helping to upload some of this curriculum onto our shared content page with the school district. This will allow any teacher who joins access to the curriculum through our learning management system, Schoology. Hopefully you've been able to join. You needed to create an account at Schoology.com. It's free. And then to join this particular group, you just go up to Groups and then click on Join, and then you enter in this access code here that I've sent in an email as well. So that'll give you access to the shared content, and I can make you an administrator so that you're able to upload content. Actually, it should happen automatically, but if it doesn't, let me know. At that point, you can, this is actually all the curriculum that teachers are starting to share at elementary and high school and middle school levels. And I've put our school garden resources right here. So to upload curriculum, I've got a lot of material on here. I've got our school garden manual so that teachers and schools can access that. I've got, what else did we put on here? We've got seed bank information, so there's seed order forms and a list of seeds. Some gardening information that has a lot of videos and information that we went over in teacher workshops. But this folder here, lesson plans, is where teachers can actually look for ideas for different lessons that they can use in different grades that support both the school garden as well as other core content learning. And we're going to be able to add to this, and people are going to be able to add to this, but we want to start with what we've already got. So for example, under kindergarten, I haven't loaded anything yet. Oh shoot, I thought I did. Maybe it's only under first grade. So I started doing some uploading, and then I left the country. So, so here, for example, is a lesson that I've uploaded that a teacher created. And these are 4 different lessons that teachers have created in our school district who are first grade teachers that incorporate some school garden lesson plans. So I think that's as far as I got was first grade. So the way to upload content, let's go to second grade, for example. I think that Laura has the folder that Curry left, but if not, then I can send you. I've got all the files here, and we're not doing the full template because it's pretty beefy. So what we're doing is just the lesson plan kind of overviews. So I've broken it up. This is Farm to School second. Looks like we've only got one second grade lesson. So I'm going to click on that one, and it looks like this. And you can upload the file, or you can just do a copy paste. So I'll show you both, and you can decide which looks better. It's up to you. So if I copy it from this folder, and then I go to here, then I can just do add resources, and I can do add page. Actually, let's see what I did. Sorry, let's see what I did in the first grade, if their pages or what. In first grade, it looks like I just directly uploaded them. So let's take a look. Yeah, it looks like I just directly uploaded them. So let's do the same thing for second grade. So once you've got your file, so again, hopefully they're on a thumb drive, but if not, I can transfer them to you. Go to Add Resources, go to Add File, and then you can just click on the actual file. So for me, that's going to be on my desktop, but I might send them to you as an email or whatever works for you. So click Add Attach Files. Oops, oh, sorry. Let's see, I'm in my desktop. Hang with me here. Farm to School, bam. Let's see, I think it's under Lesson Plans. And it's under, there we go. So I've got second grade. So the lesson plan covers will be just kind of the synopsis. Otherwise, I've got really full templates, which will take up a lot of space. So add them. Click Add. Bam, it's done. Let's take a look at third grade. So same thing, third grade. We'll add files. And I'll start off, I think I've got 3 or 4 for third grade. And so the same thing, you go to Attach Files, and you go under Lesson Plan Covers. So I will do this one, third grade science. Oh, that's part 2. So some of these are several different, you know, they've got part 1, part 2, and part 3. So that's worth just kind of taking a minute to look at. So I'll just upload this one as an example because it's a standalone. But I think there's 2 or 3 different lessons that have a part 1 and part 2, and you just do the same thing. You just upload them as a file. So looks like if you could pick up on the 3rd grade, there's 3 or 4 lessons there, I think, for the 3rd grade, and I've just uploaded this one. When you get to high school, if it's just high school, let's look at how we broke that down. Go ahead. I mean, you can choose a grade if you want to, or put them all under 9th grade. I think I've broken it down under each grade, these files. Oh, no. So high school, great. So just upload them here to high school, because what it'll do is it'll be under a subject area. So for example, under high school, if I click on that, you have some that are science. So upload the science lessons here. I'm just adding a folder because you might have more than one that's under science. And if there's a high school like language, this is how you make a folder for it. So by the time you get to high school, again, if there's maybe 4 that are under the science, put them there rather than breaking them up into individual grades, because students might be in biology in the 9th grade, they might be biology in the 10th grade, so all of those biology would go under science. But if you needed to make a new folder for math or for language, you just do it by hitting add resources and going up here to language. So be sure to save when you're done. So that'll be language arts, but there might be like Spanish, for example, and you can just make a folder that way. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to give me an email. And I really appreciate all of your help. And so will the teachers, and so especially will the students when they get a chance to do some of these really fun activities.